This is the Object Selection tool. Its shortcut key is also W. It is one of the newer selection tools in Photoshop. It's pretty amazing. It uses Photoshop's artificial intelligence called Sensei to select. You have the option of selecting either with a rectangle or a lasso. So let's use that tool and try to select the balloon. All I have to do is draw a circle around it. As you can see, it's done a great job. Now, if I have to add some more, I can hold my Shift key down and draw a circle around the part that I need to add to that. I'm going to press Q to turn on Quick Mask, and again, you can see it's done a pretty good job. That chair is a much more complicated selection. Let's try the Object Selection tool on that. Wow. Nice work. And that's how to use the Object Selection tool.